Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book explores the habits and lifestyles of millionaires and offers insights into how to build wealth through frugality and smart investing. The Millionaire Next Door is a fascinating read that challenges many of our assumptions about wealth and how it is accumulated. Through extensive research, the authors have discovered that the vast majority of millionaires in the United States are not the flashy, conspicuous consumers we often see in the media. Rather, they are ordinary people who live frugally, save aggressively, and invest wisely. The book offers a wealth of insights into the habits and lifestyles of these millionaires, including their spending habits, investment strategies, and attitudes towards money. It also provides practical advice on how to build wealth through frugal living, smart investing, and a long-term mindset. One of the key takeaways from The Millionaire Next Door is that building wealth is not about how much money you make, but rather about how you manage your money. By living below your means, avoiding debt, and investing wisely, you can build a solid foundation for financial independence and long-term wealth. Conclusion. Overall, The Millionaire Next Door is a must-read for anyone interested in achieving financial freedom. It challenges many of our assumptions about wealth and offers practical advice on how to build wealth through frugality and smart investing. So, if you're looking for some inspiration on how to achieve financial independence, be sure to check out The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko.